Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear activity history in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on Privacy and Security. Go to Activity and History. Here you can see Clear History. You just have to click on this. So this is how you can clear your activity history in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.